So today we'll see how to use the IPFS plugin on dPlat platform. So first we'll go to this add plugin button, and here we will choose the IPFS option here, and when I click this it will create the plugin from the selected plugin, and suppose I name it IPFS plugin. And now we'll create the query. So first we'll save the setting. So we have only one option here, IPFS, and we'll save the setting. And here we'll now create a query out of this data source. So I'll create a new query, and suppose I name it so let's keep it query 1, and here the option is to upload a file, and here we can pass in the content of the file. So for passing in the content of the file, suppose I go to this add element, and I'll add a file picker option. So I'll choose a file picker. So here I'll be selecting a file from my local system, and then I'll be using that file to be uploaded into the IPFS. So the name of this widget is file picker 1, and whenever I'll be selecting a file, it will be saved into this file picker. So I'll move this to here, and I'll open two curly braces. I'll say file picker 1 dot files, and it gives an array. So we'll select the first file from the array, which is the 0th element, and now I'll move back to this page, and here I'll be using suppose a text input widget, and here we'll be displaying the output of the query, whatever we will be getting. So I'll just name it, suppose I'll give it a value query1 dot data, right? So whatever will be the value of query1, it will come here. And now I'll provide it a button. On click of that button, I'll be executing the query 1. So suppose I give it, so let's give it submit, and on click event I'll be executing a query. So I'll be executing query 1. So when I select a file, and it gets uploaded, and the value of the file, the content of the file will be coming here. So I'll keep it dot data. So whatever the content of the file will be, it will be shown here. And when we pass that content to this query, and when I execute this query, this data will be uploaded to the IPFS. So I'll move back to the page, and I'll first of all select a file from my system. Suppose I select this rectangle, I upload the file, and now when I click submit, it will take some time to upload the data to IPFS, and it will return this data from IPFS. So now using this data, so we copy this data from here, and we pass it to IPFS .io / the information we got. So I'll just remove these extra information. So IPFS.io / IPFS / whatever information we got. So if I hit enter, I'll see the image has been uploaded to IPFS. So that's how we can use this IPFS plugin here to upload any type of file we want to upload to IPFS.